This guy is crushing it on the waves at Urbnsurf Sydney. Chris Hemsworth has crushed it on the waves at Urbnsurf Sydney. I have only done one surf lesson about 10 years ago and haven't been on a board since. So, surfing in a wave pool, how hard can it be? Thankfully the park caters to all abilities from barrel riders to beginners, and they even have a gnarly jump wave. Which after my first paddle in, realised it might be a bit longer than a day before we see a barrel. The second paddle we actually rode the wave, but I still had no idea when or how to pop up. So with that in mind, I thought I'd try ride the waves a little bit more before I tried to pop up. That way I could figure out what the board wants to do, which way it wants to go, and try find a sweet spot on where the board is most balanced. And if they don't, then I won't let it get to me. After a few attempts, I think I've found the right spot to try and stand up on the board and where to place my feet. So now it's just trying to get confident with getting the feet underneath me. And finally, after a few attempts, we've managed to stand up on the board and ride it all the way out. Now we just need to try stand up a little bit earlier. Now obviously the most logical thing to do, now that you're confident on one side, is to completely change it up and jump on the other side. This was like trying to write with your opposite hand. Everything that I had learnt on the left side felt so unnatural on the right side. I finally managed to get a wave in and get the feet underneath me, but once I stood up, wasn't too sure how to direct the board. With a bit more sand, I managed to get the feet underneath me at the right time. And now we're getting a bit better at that pop. I should have left it here and finished the session on a high, because my arms were killing me, but I was determined to try and get a few more in, which were a little bit scrappy, and I definitely should have just called it on the previous ride. So my goals for the next session: get more confident with that pop, get a bit of a stronger paddle into the wave so we have a bit more momentum behind us, and then maybe in a couple weeks we'll be able to jump up to the progressive turn session.